Version 1 is definitely the easiest. Takes you less than about 15 minutes to make. It takes less than 1 board foot of wood, which has a cost of anywhere from $2 to $8, depending on whether or not you use pine or something expensive like walnut. And I typically sell them for anywhere from $15 to $30, depending on the type of material and any personalizations or customizations that my customer might want. Now, how about those angles? Any triangle has an internal angle total of 180 degrees. So for this first project, I'm just going to set my table saw to 30 degrees, which is going to give me 60-degree cuts. So the first base piece is going to be 11 inches. The middle piece is going to be 6 inches. And the final piece that kind of hangs over and doesn't close is going to be 4 inches. So we have a total of 21 inches, so less than 1 board foot if we make it 6 inches wide. From there, it's just a simple glue up. I'm going to use some wood glue, but then I'm going to leave a couple of gaps for CA glue because with these weird angles, it's difficult to clamp up. So I figure just using a little bit of CA glue will help it bond instantly and then allow that wood glue to dry and give me a nice tight joint. We join up the first piece, hold it there for just a few seconds to give that CA glue a chance to dry, and then do the same thing with our top piece. Use a little CA glue to set it. Now you don't have much of an opportunity to get this right because that CA glue is going to set very quickly. So make sure that you have your joint nice and even so you don't have to sand anything off or fill in any gaps. And there you go. There's a spot for your reading glasses, a spot for your coffee, and a spot for your book. Now, I like the idea of putting the joint on the back right here because I see this as the actual front of this piece. So not having a joint or a seam right there makes it look a little bit nicer. Also, if you have a laser engraver like I do, you could also throw in custom laser engraving there, maybe put in a book quote, something from Harry Potter or something like that if you wanted to. Now, I would also recommend finishing this with either a hard wax finish or maybe shellac.